is going on, people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're back with a stock talk video. And for today's stock talk, we're going to be talking about company ticker symbol LCA, Lancadia, okay? And Lancadia has been talked about a lot in the news recently, and now we finally got some big confirmation news that happened. Over the past month, it's been running up, okay? And this company, as you can see, has been running up from almost a single digits all the way up to highs of 22.5, okay? And the reason that I'm talking about this stock is because we finally got confirmation. Now, there's always so much pre-anticipatory hype for news that we heard about, and the news that we heard about was that they were supposed to, quote-unquote, combine or merge with GNOG, Golden Nugget Gaming. And, you know, those rumors going around, blah, 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 blah. But we finally got some big news last night. And what was that news? Well, the confirmation, not that they're merging quite yet, but the confirmation that they're going to have a meeting on whether or not they are going to merge. On December 18th of 2020 at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, many things are going to happen, but one of them being the approval of a proposed business combination. This is the big news, is the confirmation that these two companies are going to be in talks of merging with each other. And this is why the hype has been happening so much recently. There's been so many rumors and news about this, and this is why this company is starting to blow up. Anyway, long story short, we got this news, right? I'm going to pull this chart over here. We got this news last night on after hours, December 2nd, on a Wednesday, and we hit new all-time highs, right? 22.5. But then we actually dropped, obviously, because of all the hype. But I was expecting today to be we're going to surge, maybe even past 25. I was expecting to move up a few dollars, move up 10, 15% on the day. But it didn't do anything. If anything, it dropped early in the morning. Well, obviously, I had this little spike here. But it dropped during the day in the morning, slowly recovered throughout the day. I was watching it. I was like, you know, it's bouncing off all these resistance levels. It's not really looking strong. We hit a resistance level here, it bounced down. Another resistance level here, it bounced down. We got under the SMA line. Like, it just wasn't looking strong moving forward for a daily chart. 5-minute chart, nothing was really happening. I wasn't too impressed. I guess I could have done a little run up here, but I was looking at something more than just a dollar move. I mean, that would have been a perfect done dollar move too. I was looking for something more. This company, okay, and I was shocked that there's not more hype. Now, it could be because we ran up so much before the news actually came out, but I was like, gosh, even with this pullback here, I was expecting a surge and then make new highs, and I was expecting $25, $26 by the end of the day today. Now that's far-fetched, obviously, because it's not been moving that quickly, but with this news, I mean, this is where all the hype's been coming from. So LCA, definitely I would keep a lookout, because yes, we get the news. And yes, there's been hype up to this point, but now we finally got the news. And I would watch this over the next 2 to 3 weeks before we get this merger, well, the meeting talking about the merger at least, and see what the stock does, okay? We're going to have some run-ups here and there, we're going to have some pullbacks, but I really think that something big is going to happen with this company while this news is running up, while we get some pre-anticipatory hype. I'm surprised something didn't happen today, so I'm definitely going to keep watching it, and as you guys should too. Remember, the meeting date is December 18th, 2020 at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The stock is going to be going wild during that time of day, so just keep a watch out for that, okay? And, you know, if you want to do some research and look into it, I would highly recommend it. But anyway, that's what I got for you guys today. Hopefully you figured out something interesting, and, you know, maybe we'll look into this a little bit and make some money off of it. It's all up to you. I mean, the ball's in your court. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.